Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in FR Legends. To begin, navigate to the main menu and tap the garage icon located on the left side of your screen. Once inside, scroll through your car collection and choose the vehicle you intend to sell. This selection is crucial, so always double-check before proceeding to the next step. After selecting your car, you will see a series of options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Sell Car button and tap it. The game will then display a suggested selling price, usually in the thousands of credits, which depends heavily on any modifications or wear. Take a moment to evaluate if this amount is suitable for you before moving forward. Once you are satisfied with the displayed price, simply tap the Sell button again. A small pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm your decision one last time. Press Yes to finalize the transaction. The car will immediately vanish from your garage, and the corresponding credit amount, perhaps in the tens of thousands, will instantly be deposited into your account, ready for your next purchase. To get the best possible price, consider upgrading your car with popular parts before selling, as this often boosts its worth by a few thousand credits. While there isn't a dynamic market, understanding general pricing for stock versus modified cars can help. Remember, selling unused vehicles is a fantastic way to manage your garage, earning a steady stream of credits for future car acquisitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.